Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can comment photo in TikTok. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be sent to the homepage where videos of your followed accounts will be displayed. Here, locate the video on which you would like to comment and tap on this icon. Now, a bunch of recent comments will start appearing on your screen. After that, tap on the Add Comment field at the bottom and tap on this camcorder icon. Your TikTok camera will be launched. Simply navigate to the photo section, then take a snap and post it. So that's basically how you can comment photo in TikTok. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.